Asia markets traded mixed Monday morning as investors continue to watch for developments on issues such as the coronavirus pandemic. Japanese stocks led losses among the region's major markets, with both the Nikkei 225 and Topix indexes dropping 1.31% each in early trade. The Bank of Japan's summary of opinions for its mid-July meeting, released Monday, said the country's economy is expected to pick up moderately from the second half of 2020. The central bank warned, however, that the economy is unlikely to return to the level reached before the outbreak of COVID-19, even in fiscal 2022. Meanwhile, South Korea's Kospi advanced 0.41%. Over in Australia, the S&P ASX 200 hovered around the flatline. Overall, the MSCI Asia ex-Japan index traded 0.06% higher. Investor attention was likely be on lawmakers stateside as they attempt to push forward on another coronavirus stimulus package. U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said Sunday that Republicans have finalized a bill worth about $1 trillion in coronavirus relief funds. Globally, more than 16 million people have been infected by the coronavirus, with the U.S. accounting for roughly a quarter of that figure, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. China tensions, which took center stage last week as mainland Chinese stocks plunged on Friday amid a sharp exchange of words between the two economic powerhouses, also continue to be monitored by investors. Intermittent spikes in U.S.-China tensions are likely to become the norm as the 3rd of November U.S. presidential election nears, economists at Commonwealth Bank of Australia wrote in a morning note. On the economic data front, China's industrial profits for June is set to be released around 9:30 a.m. HK-SIN on Monday. The U-dollar index, which tracks the greenback against a basket of its peers, was at 94,342 after slipping from levels above 96 last week. The Japanese yen traded at 105.96 per dollar after strengthening sharply late last week from levels above 106.5 against the greenback. The Australian dollar changed hands at $0.7097 following its rise from levels below $0.702 last week. Oil prices dipped in the morning of Asian trading hours, with international benchmark Brent crude futures down 0.37% to $43.18 per barrels. Crude futures also shed 0.31% to $41.16 per barrels. Here's a look at what's on tap.